Milton, son of Carpenter Mary, Daddy Carpenter, worked on skyscrapers. Mom Mary Ann, I'm the son of Carpenter Mary. Yes, that handsome shirtless bald guy there. And these are my November parable videos. Joined for the day. A list and the B list. B list for Randy. That mean fictional Welcome to Hell on Earth is going to be mixed in there somewhere. You want the funny, you want the imagery? Yeah, go for the A-list. At youtube.com/DNFD series. Join parables for November. A whole day. A's, A-list ones, and sometimes B. On youtube.com/DNFD series. Check out my imagery, check out my videos there. Check out my eyes. Growing a new pair, turning from brown to blue. And yeah, the playlist URL and the daily. Check out my imagery, and yes, youtube.com/DNFD series. You can find 20,000 of those things. Just follow the link and print me out. I'll keep you company. 12 hours, 17 minutes, and 50 seconds of Milton's chest imagery. Yeah, I went to upload my Parable Bites to DNFD series in the same fashion. Join parables. And hey, High-Tech Toys, Great Wall of Evil wouldn't let it upload there, so I went to this one. And the good news about that is, ladies, I don't have custom thumbnails here. So you get a little imagery every once in a while, but mostly it's a handsome bald guy as a thumbnail. Now you go into it, you're going to see the imagery I was wearing for the day. Check it out. It's Christ Complex 1 at gmail.com. Number 1, the digit 1. Milton, son of a carpenter, Mary, Daddy Carpenter, worked on skyscrapers. Mom Mary Ann, I am the son of carpenter. I get to tell parables. And this is my Christ Complex 1, number 1, the digit 1. Christ Complex 1 at gmail.com. YouTube with that. There's all of the Parable Bites joined as one. Yeah, 11 hours, 50 minutes of them. 5 hours, almost 6 hours. Of course, I got to add the December. Of my latest, I designed graphic art and 12 hours of, yes, what I wear on my chest. Look at these playlists, check it out, and yeah, come see me, the handsome bald guy. And you can be in this imagery. Tear down that great wall of evil around me that has just me and all of my imagery and my videos. I am Milton, and this is my latest on YouTube, the YouTube with Christ Complex 1 at gmail.com. Here's the latest. Here's what I just uploaded. In need of one more month of my latest, what I've designed, joined together for the month. So all you have to do is hit play and hear everything I did that month as far as designing. And there you go. There's that individual links in the playlist. I'm Milton. I just finished uploading the monthly joined all in one big video. 93 checks for each month up till November 2018. And the reason this one's out of order is because it jumped out of the folder. It's happened a few times that's disappeared. It's the one that includes. So there's the YouTube where you can find that. Here are the links where you can find it. Jumped out of the folder. It's about Barack Hussein Obama and the federal files on him being that terrorist. Try to call me, 424-229-4140. Well, I'm not a fan of the buffoon Trump either, but his videos aren't jumping out of folders left and right. 12 hours and 17 minutes and 50 seconds of a handsome bald guy and his chest art. Yeah, I don't have the custom thumbnails here because I had to go to this one because my Parable Bytes joined like these. We're not uploading to youtube.com/DNFD series, but this is my chest imagery, just starting out the Christ Complex 1 at gmail.com. Check it out, and yes, here are all the links for you to get, and the link for the playlist as well.